And are you a better person now? Simple questions like, are you more humble now? Are you more listening now? Are you more kind or hospitable now? We're not talking of yesteryears or the great tomorrow. It's all about now. You know, we all will face God someday. Lahat tayo mga pagkakamali, we encounter all kinds of law enforcement. O, nahuli ka, mananagot ka. Maraming nakakalusot. Maybe, punta ka sa barangay, nabarangay ka, nalusutan mo yan. Whatever. Go up to the courts. Court of Appeals. May appeal ka. Wow. Nakalusot ka na naman. Supreme Court. Okay. All the way. O ICC pa, kung saan pa. You know, the bottom line is, in the end, we will face God face to face, one-on-one. God knows the score. You and I know the score. Sa atin